Right, time to put together the Ironskull Boyz push fit miniatures, so hopefully this will go quite quick, and then since there's only 4 of them, they're all named characters, so we're going to start off with Gerzag Ironskull, and in order to put them together we need to start off over here with number 15. Now, these guys are lovely and beastie models, and the only disappointing thing I feel about them straight away is that, where is it now, the bases, the feet are moulded on the bases, and I really wanted to convert these to the old world so that they could be Boyz or even Black Orcs. So it's kind of like, oh, you know, they're really cool looking, but I just don't think the base size can be converted to the old world, which means they're going to have to stay in Age of Sigmar. And with the Cruel Boys, I just don't think these guys really fit, to be quite honest. They don't really fit the aesthetic of the Age of Sigmar. They definitely are. Definitely more suited to the old world. That said, it does not mean that I could not potentially use them. Let me just get number 16 out. As a potential Mordheim warband. Which I haven't played Mordheim in a very long time, but I believe there's still quite an active community of Mordheim players out there, even to this day. But unfortunately, yeah, the square bases for orcs are 30s. Oh, actually, ooh. Hey, these might actually be able to slot into a. These might be able to slot into a base converter. I'll have a look at that. A circle to square base converter. I've just checked that. These are a 30mm base, which means they might just be able to squeeze in. And if they can do that, then I am a very happy boy. Because I don't care what anyone says, these are my hard boys. I'll have a look into that. I'll have to see if they'll work with a base converter where you can keep the circular base. Right, have I made sure I've got the right cloak out here? Yeah, I have, haven't I? Oh gosh, that's a hard one to get in. Sometimes happens with these push fits, they're not always the best bond. Okay, and then 17 and 18. So here's 18, which is a chopper. There's his head, number 17, this one here. Yeah, I love some art boys, and these definitely come across as art boy orcs. This guy went together nice and quick, didn't he? So I'm pleased about that. Let's just get this arm right, and then we're done. Gosh, that doesn't like going in, does it, that one? It's pushing into my thumb rather than the actual model. Yeah, there's a bit of a gap there, I don't like that, but well, there we go. So there's our first one done. That's actual Gerzag. Time to move on to bone cutter. So we're going to get out number 10 and 11. And it looks like this is going to be quite a quick build. Let's hope so. I do love it when a build goes fast. What else? 12 and 13. These are really difficult to push in, these ones. Partly because the models are quite sharp in places. Go, there's our next one. Bone cutter, big chopper. I love it when a model goes together quick some days, particularly when I've got a lot to do. Right, 1 and 2 for hacker. Okay, and then 3 and 4. love it when the models go fast like this sometimes. I think the only problem is, because the push fit, you do get it sometimes where they kind of split too easily. Sometimes I feel like cutting the pins off and gluing them, but I think these are just about manageable like this. Don't want to go in this one, does it? Go on in. It's like, doesn't want to go in straight, this one, does it? Oh. There we go. There is Hacker. And finally onto Basher. So 5 and 6. We're getting there. As I said, could do with some fast builds, because it looks like the stone casts that I'm about to put together looks like that's a huge job. And then we've got the premium kit that I need to put together too. Let's get 7 out as well. Yeah, that's got the dank hull Troggoth, which is a big kit, and then we've got the rock gut Troggoths, which again are a lot of customization, a lot of options in them, so there's going to be a long set of build videos for those. Got to head off to work tomorrow, so I'll be so busy the next few days. I don't think I will be able to get anything done. Which is why I'm glad I don't have to do another build video. For the building, because we've already put one of those together in a previous issue. And there we go. Basher done. So that's it. This is these Ironskull boys. Really love them. They're really cool. Big, meaty, heavily armoured orcs with good weapon combos, double big choppers and things. And really they're more like a kind of named warband rather than a unit per se, but there we go. That is the Ironskulls boys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.